Hi, today is the 10th day of public speaking skill or communication skill enhancement practice. Because we have to improve our communication skill, we have to practice it daily. Because it is a skill which have a potential to our career growth, to a potential to have our business growth. So we have to improve this skill by daily practice and also some learnings. We cannot just do wrong practice and the day will one day come and we will become a good communicator. We have to do right practice. For right practice, I have learned something which I want to share. As from previous videos, I have sharing my learnings. I am practicing my communication skills. I am improving my communication skill as well as I am sharing my learning how to improve our communication skills. Communication in English speaking is important to grow in our career. If we have to go ahead of what we are, then we have to learn something new to improve. Because if we will not learn something new, we will be there where we are now. We have to grow, then we have to learn something. Because we have to pay something to achieve something. So what we have to pay to achieve the growth? To achieve the growth, we have to pay our time. One thing, we are giving time. Second thing, our efforts. Our efforts to learning, listening, watching, reading, writing, speaking. Speaking is the end result. It will be more fluent, more with having less mistakes if we do more reading, writing, listening, watching. At the one thing I have learned that we have to improve our English communication skill through practicing or learning some new some sentence which we need to need our daily life. That if we have to go somewhere, if we have to say something to someone, what we should do. So also one thing I have learned that just do what you are doing by speaking. Let's what I am doing now, I am making video to improve my communication skills. When wake up, I am wake up from the bed and taking brush, doing brush, and just do whatever you are doing by telling your mind, or you can telling louder if there is no one, because someone may laugh and it is okay if someone may laugh, but we should not stop by someone's laughing. So you can tell it to mind. If you are alone, you can tell it loudly. Do what you are doing and tell yourself that you are doing that in English language, and it will be habituated to mind that we are not new to this language. We are acquainted to this language. Likewise, we have learned Hindi. We have learned our other other local language by too much listening, too much speaking. Same thing. If we have to improve our English speaking skill, we need too much speaking. Yes, it is required daily speaking, but daily also we have to involve some more minutes, some more hours in English speaking. That is the one way, is do what you do and tell yourself. Second is think what you think in English language. If you are thinking something in other, your thought have also a language, and when you are thinking something, you can think in English language. For example, after today evening I will have to go to market and I have to purchase this, and I have to go for a service offer. I have to contact him. I have to meet that person. These are also our thoughts which are coming in mind. We can think in English. First example is we have to do what you do what you're doing and speak in English language. Second is think what we are thinking in English language. So our subconscious mind will work when we will give time, efforts, and we give enough data. If it will get more and more data every day, it will habituated to us. Subconscious mind will help us because we badly need help of our subconscious mind to improve our communication skill and to reach a flow state. To reach a flow state, there cannot be any shortcut. We just cannot wake up a day and start speaking English and communicate everyone very clearly by paying somebody or by one day practice or 24-hour practice. It needs everyday practice. So we should be give our time, effort, our energy and our concentration. So if we are talking some language, there will be something which basic things we require is improve your pronunciation, improve our grammar. If you tell something you're telling something about your past, then it should be using was, where, and you are telling something in present, it should be in that grammar also. We are using the right grammar so that people will understand well that we are telling about past or future, or for future there is some different grammar, for past there is some different grammar. You cannot use same thing. So we have to know, should have good knowledge about grammar. We have how to add that knowledge daily watching some grammatical knowledge, how to use something. If we have to use somewhere in the past, you have to use that. If you are in present, if you are in future, how to use that word, or some new word which is daily often using or people are using, but we do not aware of that words. Some words we have to require, so we need word. We need some good grammatic, we should to correct our grammatical errors. We need to do some pronunciation, we need to do some wrong pronunciations. By country, pronunciation will be different. But if you are in India and you are using English, which pronunciation for which word is required, we need some habit. We need to learn from some good English speaker. We can get it free from YouTube. We don't need to spend for everything. We can get free, too much material we can get free, but we have to search for that. If we search for that, we will get too much material which can we get free from YouTube. We can get from Google. So search it and try to remove some barriers one by one. One barrier is our grammatical errors. One barrier is shortage of words. One barrier is wrong pronunciation. One barrier is not having day-to-day practice of speaking. So somewhere we're stopping when we're speaking. We're speaking something and we're getting stopped. Because of what? Because of not practicing. In day-to-day life, we need to have some practice. In our thoughts, we should have practice. Our day-to-day life, our practice. By this type of practice, it will help us. It will help us, our subconscious mind, to feel full of data. And this data will help. It will create wonder. It will create wonder after a week, after a month. So fill up with too much data with a very concise manner, very brief manner, and that will definitely help to improve our communication skills. So friends, I hope that this video will helpful. If someone is watching this video, that will be helpful to improve his communication skill. I am also trying to improve my communication skills. I am learning. I'm associated with different mentors. I'm continuously get learning from them how to improve my communication skills, because communication skill cannot be done by your own also. If you have to practice continuously, if you are practicing continuously, and also you are doing grammatical, you are also improving your grammatical errors, you are improving your pronunciation skills, but still you need some good mentor. The all thing what I've learned is one thing, and another thing is having a good mentor. Having a good mentor is like getting yourself in right direction, because there is several ways. There is internet and there is several ways to go, and we can be lost somewhere, and the right mentor will not let you lost. That is very important, because we should not last in our growth. We should have a control in our journey. Yes, we have to, what we are trying to do is we are improving our communication skills, we are improving our English speaking skills, but in the journey of improvement we should be in a process of continual improvement. We should not be stopped somewhere. To not being stopped, we need a good mentor. So who will give you the good mentor? We know. We will search and we will select a good mentor and just devote ourselves, and will definitely improve our communication skills. So please try to improve your skills, not by one day. Be patient, time will come. By continuous practice we will improve our skills. Thanks for watching. If this video is valuable to you, then subscribe my channel so that you can get some good notifications timely, and in the journey of improving your skills, be participate with me. Thanks.